How to enable two-step verification on Emo app using iPhone. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Static Studio, and today's guide I'll show you the step-by-step guide of how you can enable the two-step verification on the Emo app using any iPhone. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to enable two-step verification, you just open up the Emo application from your iPhone and then go and tap on this profile icon at the bottom right. And from the profile, go ahead and tap on security and privacy. And inside this one, you'll get to see the option two-step verification. It's currently turned off, so you just need to go ahead and tap on these, and this is going to show you the two-step verification. Now to enable this, you'll get to see the two-step verification. You just need to toggle on this option and then tap on OK, and you're pretty much good to go. Now you can easily verify your account through SMS verification, security question, and friend verification. And this is how you can enable the two-step verification on the Emo app using iPhone. Hope you find this to be helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.